So we are outside the El Cortez, and we're going to walk over to the Container Park, which is just across the street over here. Hope we don't have to wait too long at the light, otherwise this won't be that entertaining, because it will rely on my wit and charm to amuse you. We're also going to go ahead and try to walk through the Container Park a little bit later this evening after dark. But, while it may not be quite as pretty, I would suspect, anyway, that maybe you can see some things a little bit better during the daytime than at night. I don't know about that. As you can see, it's just right across the street here from the Elko. And we're not going to cross this street, we're going to cross this street. It's an area that has really become a lot more sort of tourist friendly, just generally people friendly in the past few years, the Fremont East area. So, while I was in town, I wanted to check it out and show all of you. Look down that way, you can see the old Western Hotel, which is no more. I suppose some of you may weep at its demise, but I can't say that I found the place to be a particularly pleasant one to hang out. Anyway. And there is the Container Park, and it is so named because it is built out of old containers, the kind you store things in. And I believe this mantis spews fire in the evening. And so, again, make it over here later tonight, we'll show you that. But we'll walk inside and check out some of what's inside. This used to be a pretty shady, sort of scary area. At least I thought it was. You can walk in here. If you can, I seem to be missing it. Anyway, wouldn't be the first time I've done something backwards. Very good at that. So anyway, looks like we should enter down here. And that's fine. Makes sense that there's an entry. A number of favorite sort of downtown bars and restaurants here inside the Container Park. There's Chaffini's Hot Dogs. I can't say I've heard of that one. See, sort of a play area. That's what the world needs. A sunglass shop. A Mexican eatery. Gambler's General Store. That might be interesting. Over here in the center, though, is really sort of a little play area for kids, and at night, I guess, for adults. Many people have commented on the intertubes about Oak and Ivy being a particularly interesting place. There it is. It's not very big, but if you'd like to find it, check it out. Here it is. And here is another little play area, because adults need to play. Gonna get a copyright ding from the David Bowie song in the background. Fortunately, I wasn't planning on making a lot of money off of this video, but that is not my song. I did not write it. Let's see what this one is called. It's Ben 702. Some people sitting outside. It's about 100 degrees today, maybe 90. But none of this was here a few years ago. A lot of this was developed by the guy that runs the Zappos company. So, kettle corn. And so, as you can see, kind of interesting place. Hopefully. So check it out if you're downtown. It isn't just the Fremont Street experience anymore. So that's our little walk through here by Container Park. Thanks for watching. As always, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.